Hello, welcome back to 3D Printed Soup, the channel that likes its PLA hot and its gazpacho cold. With the release of Star Wars Episode 9 coming up very shortly, I thought I'd do something to sort of celebrate this up and coming final chapter in the Skywalker saga. God, it's going to be awful, isn't it? My favourite thing about Star Wars are the lightsabers, fantastic pieces of cinema iconography and really good props to build. Now, I've never 3D printed a full lightsaber before. I've printed bits for them, I've printed blades for them, but I've never done the full thing. And I thought, hey, with episode 9 coming up, let's give Kylo Ren's lightsaber a try. A unique lightsaber with a crossbar on it as well as the main blade. It'll be fairly tricky to print, so I'm going to break it down into parts and see if I can't make myself a screen accurate version of this particular saber. Now, so let's give this a try. The lower crystal chamber had a bit of an issue with printing and the stepper went off slightly, so what I've done is I have cut it in half and I have re-glued it so that it actually lines up properly. However, there was a bit of a crack between the top part and the bottom part, so what I've done is I've used some filler and I put that round into the crack, and once that has dried I'll then sand this all off and I will then spray it with some filler primer, and then hopefully the crack won't show too badly. And yeah, with a bit of filler primer and some spray paint at the top, this shouldn't be too much of a problem. But yeah, that's one of the main problems with 3D printing. You get halfway through a 5-6 hour print and then suddenly it goes off and you get a lovely line straight through the bloody print. But still, fingers crossed this will come out. If not, I'll have to reprint it again. It will set me back about 5-6 hours, but hey, that's 3D printing for you. So, 30 hours later, and I am very, very happy with the way this has turned out. Paint is beautifully applied, it went really, really well. Took about 2 days for the silver undercoat to cure, and it was well worth leaving it for that. There's not a lot of colour on this sabre. You've got the red main exposed cable and the blue one in there, and of course you've got the gold clip down the side and the red piece at the end. But the bit I enjoyed doing most was, make sure that's focusing in, the burn marks around the outside of the side emitters. I've gone from silver covered in black to a light brown all the way through to a very, very watered down blue. I've got the photographs of the prop from the internet, so I think those colours pretty much match. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with this, and I'm really looking forward to trying out some more lightsabers. I'm thinking perhaps maybe Obi-Wan's, or maybe even Darth Maul's, if I fancy doing a double-bladed one. Anyway, thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. If you like my stuff, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. All your feedback's welcome. Leave comments in the comments section. Have you tried printing stuff? Is there a particular sabre you'd like me to try and print next? Click the notification button so you know when I upload. As always, I try and do one a week. Sometimes I'll do more, but yeah. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe.